dynamically connected in Electra. So that means that you can simply edit the alignment vertex by moving it, and profile is automatically refreshed. Let's split back to two vertical viewports. Here I will zoom the profile and I will zoom the layout, and now you will see that once I'm moving the vertices, the profile is dynamically refreshed. Another very useful feature is called objects along axis. That means that you can define any important objects along the axis and show them into the profile view. I'll switch back to my first alignment, and let's find here some objects that are important for us. I will select here, let's say, that roof from example, and I will insert a point that will representing that roof. I'll use define points along axis command. I will show the roof location on the alignment. I'll define that point name, it will be roof, and define the point height, which will be that value. Okay, now what I defined is a point with the Z value of 213 meters, and I would like to drape that point automatically to the profile. So what I will do now, in the profile view, I will use the project point along axis command. You can see that point roof is already listed here in the dialog. There is also an option to insert a block on that location. If I have a point or a line with a zero elevation, I have also some different options what to do. I can draw it on the terrain, on the profile, and so further. In my example, I will just select the point roof and click OK. And I will change the point types. Let's say the cross will be used for a symbol. And you can see that here is, let's say, the roof that I defined it as a point in the layout. And now I can label it and so on. For example, I can use the command here in the menu, the 35V6, and I can label the elevation of that point. For example, here, if I zoom it, you can see that it's just the same as I defined in the layout. There are many other options, such as labeling of distance. I'll use to label distance between 2 points and vertical, and the standard dimension style. So let's label between that point and vertically to the conductor, and I can get simply the distance between them.